first round on the board. Kung may beauty pageant ang mga hayop, anong hayop ang mananalo sa question and answer portion? Easy.
A cat.
Poodle. Aso.
Doggy!
Aso.
A doggy!
Aso daw, poodle. Nandyan ba yan?
Ay, nako si Princess AZ. Parang mag-paint na siya.
Pwede pa makuha ang top answer. Kung may beauty pageant ang mga hayop, anong hayop ang mananalo kaya sa question and answer portion?
Pusa.
Hey, that's what I said. A kitty cat.
Nandyan ang mga
A pussy cat.
Pusa.
Because cats are cute. Yes! Yes!
For
That's
the
it!
third time, easy pass or play.
Play.
Yay!
Play this round.
Ay, nako si AZ. Maganda siya.
River.
Oh, yeah. If I were to guess an animal, I'd guess a hamster.
Parrot.
Okay. Parrot. Parrots are also okay.
Nandyan pa ang parrot. Go.
Oh, yeah. Top answer. Thank
Kung
you.
may beauty pageant ang mga hayop, ano kaya ang hayop ang mananalo sa question and answer portion?
A monkey.
Leon? Leon?
I don't think so.
Ralph, ano pa kaya? Sino kaya pwede manalo? Anong hayop? Ahas. Ahas?
Ah!
Question and answer portion?
Oh,
Nandyan ba yan? Wala.
Oh, no.
Ano
First
kaya pwede manalo
try.
sa question and answer portion?
Kabayo.
Pwede.
What? A horse?
Kabayo.
Oh, yeah. I'm back.
Sa beauty pageant ng hayop, anong hayop ang mananalo sa question and answer portion?
Monkey.
Baboy.
Hey, that's what I said. But pigs are too dumb to answer unless they're smart.
Okay, hadal na, hadal, hadal.
Let's go, Will.
Will, one last chance. Ano kaya mananalong hayop? Unggoy. Unggoy.
Yes, I'm a monkey.
One more round. Pag beauty pageant ng mga hayop, anong hayop ang mananalo sa question and answer portion? Baka.
Chicken. Oh, that's chicken. But I said a cow. Let's see if it's there. Ay, ay, ay.
It's near.
Wah! What are we gonna get this one? Listen to me because I'm gonna win. Yeah!
Hayop.
Bilang ikaw.
Wala ka po.
Bilang ikaw. Wala
Bilang
ka.
ako.
Pero isipin,
Wah!
anong hayop kaya mananalo sa question and answer portion?
Feeling ko yung bashers ko. Tsaka!
What are we doing?
Gusto ko sa sperm whale na lang.
Whale, sperm whale. Ano pa?
What the heck?
Amazing Earth yung mga
That's a
halimbawa.
big one.
Charlie.
Naisip ko na lang isda.
Isda. Okay. Mika, ano pa kaya?
Tiger. Yes.
Tiger.
How about a tiger?
Alright, Brent.
Tiger.
For this round, ano kaya? Sino mananalo sa question and answer portion? Tigre.
Malalaman yan sa magbabalik ng Family Feud, guys!
Sino? Nandyan ba? Ang tiger?
Woo! Malalaman! Bilis naman! Kala ko may commercial break kayo eh!
Lumuobo na lamang nila. Reality Rockstars 277, Reality Royalty may 76. At may isa pa hindi nakukuha. One more chance for our studio audience. 5,000 pesos.
Don't worry! Why don't we do take over in the last round and he's gonna win! He's gonna win the Jaguar prize! Wah! Wah!
Hello, my name is RJ De La Cruz. Hello po.
So what's the last answer?
So isa na lang to. Sa beauty pageant ng mga hayop, sino kaya mananalo sa question and answer portion?
Rabbit po.
Are you sure? Oh! Rabbit! Rabbit! Oh! It's a there! More time!